Hey, Mike here with Riverview Turfworks, Fort Smith's local lawn and landscaping business. Hey, today we're out in Van Buren doing a little bit of grading to prepare for a sod install. So we have Harley rake going here on the skid steer. I don't know if you can tell behind me here, but we have a lot of washout issues because this dirt has been down for about a month or so prior to putting the sod on it, which means it's been washed out quite a bit from all the rainfall that we had. You can see all this through here. There's just one pass with our Harley rake here is already starting to smooth it out, but we're going to go over this several times here, get it completely smooth and graded out correctly for this client. We have some big roll Bermuda going in here for the front yard. They get direct sun, so they're not going to have any problems getting that to grow. And here in the backyard, they had a pool installed, so we're going to do some zoysia back here. So we have a little bit of an area right here, a little bit of area back here. What's also cool back here is we're doing some drainage to help prevent washout in the future as well. So the guys are getting that dug out right now, but we currently have drain coming off of the downspout there, and then a drain coming off of the patio here that you see, a channel drain. So we're going to end up installing a catch basin here to catch all of the water coming off of the patio area, which is a large patio back here with their beautiful new pool that they got installed. And that's going to help prevent the basement from flooding. We're also going to put a smaller catch basin down there to help rat the water away. Solid 4-inch pipe connecting the downspout over here as well, all the way to the street. So that's pretty much it. If you have a project similar to this that you're interested in getting sod installed, drainage, lighting, flower beds, any type of landscaping, we do all of that. Happy to help you out. riverviewturfworks.com, 479-235-1390. Surf the Fort Smith, Arkansas area. Love to help you out. Let's plant some plants. Let's plant some sod. See ya.